Now let's discuss anthropometry length measurements. So here we will discuss length of the pediatric patient in different age groups. So at birth it is around 50 centimeter, and at 6 months of age it is around 68 centimeter. At the first year of life it is 75 centimeter, and at 2 age of life it is 87 centimeter. So now if you want to find out the length of your pediatric patient beyond this 2 years of life, you have to multiply that age group with 5 and also have to add that 87 centimeter that was till that age of 2. So for example, if you want to find out the length of a pediatric patient of age 5, so it should be 5 into 5, that is 25 centimeter plus 87 centimeter. So 25 plus 87, that equals to 112 centimeter approximately. So your pediatric patient of age 5 should have this much length, and this is the average length